Well, it's been a few weeks since I've been able to give any updates and do any videos. And one of the biggest reasons for delays on getting any videos out is I've been taking on some bigger projects, and I probably should just make some videos of progress rather than completed projects. And when I started this channel, it wasn't really about showing perfect builds anyways. It was about showing a process of building a woodworking business and a laser engraving business from the ground up. And as I had mentioned, I was kind of starting over and didn't know where things would go. And even to this day, I'm not sure where they're going, but I do have some better direction of where I see beam and board in the future. So one big announcement for beam and board for this channel is I've decided to make beam and board officially a business. So I've taken care of filing the necessary paperwork and getting things in place that are required to make beam and board legit. So that's where we're at today. And as far as where I see it going in the future, well, who knows? That's the part we're still working through, and the part I'm still honing at this point is trying to figure out what beam and board is going to be. And I've dabbled in a little bit of everything over the last 6 months, and well, it's kind of hard to believe it's been almost 6 months since I started this little journey. But I've done everything from cutting boards to signs, laser engraved tumblers and coasters and builds, and learned how to make YouTube videos and upload and post content. And lately I've been doing some bigger projects like this this furniture piece behind me that's in progress, and I really hope to have a video out on this one soon. So there have been a lot of learning lessons over the last 6 months, and really kind of testing out the waters of where beam and board is going, what beam and board is, what I do. The nice thing is, where I did take on full-time employment elsewhere, I have a predictable schedule, and I can keep this woodworking business as busy as I need it to be, but still can contain it into my abilities, or what I have time for in my schedule. So as far as the channel, I'm going to continue to try to upload videos. Right now I have 12 videos that are planned. 6 of those are already in filming. So it's not that I'm not sharing because I don't have anything going on. I've just got so many irons in the fire, and I need to schedule these things out and kind of pace it. So watch for more videos to come. Some of them will be just the shop sounds only type videos that I've done a few of. Some of them might be more instructional and review. I have a couple more updates that I'll probably do over the next few months. I know I had promised to do an Etsy review as far as Etsy ads, and I just haven't had a time to sit down and review the data on that and put it into a video. So a lot of ideas out there. I'm starting to get everything lined up, but really look forward to seeing where beam and board goes moving into the future. So thank you for joining with me, and I'll see you on the next video.